Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change birthday on Plenty of Fish. So, in order to do this, first of all, open the Plenty of Fish application. Now, after opening the application, you will see this interface. Here, you'll have to simply click on your profile icon at the top right side of the screen and it will show you this page. On this page, click on the edit profile button just under your profile picture and it is going to take you to this page. Here, you'll have to simply click on the age icon under basics. So click on age and click on this calendar icon. Now, to change your birth date, you'll have to choose your month that you want to change to. Now choose the date, then choose the year. After choosing all these things, you'll have to click on OK. Now, when you click on OK, you would have successfully changed your birthday on Plenty of Fish. So, that's a simple way to change birthday on Plenty of Fish. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.